Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to get out of a Viber group chat, and now let's dive right in. Now to get out of Viber group chat, first open up your Viber app, and after opening your Viber app guys, open the chat box of the group chat from which you want to get out or leave. So let's open the group, and on this group guys you can see this is a demo group we had created earlier. Now in order to get out from this group chat, at the top of the screen you can see the name of the group at the top. Tap on the name of the group chat and you will land on this interface, and if you scroll down to the bottom you can see there is the leave and delete option available for us. Tap on leave and delete, and this kind of pop-up box will appear where it says if you delete this conversation you will also leave the group and will stop receiving related messages. Would you like to mute instead? So with that being said guys, tap on leave and delete and you will leave that group chat on Viber. And that being said guys, this is how to get out of a Viber group chat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.